In this video, I'm going to show you how to save Lumin PDF in Google Drive. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go inside your document, you want to save inside Google Drive, and then you go to the top right here and click on the three dots, and from here you want to click on download. When you do this here, you can select your format and if you want to compress your file or not, and then you can save it to Google Drive instead of saving it on your computer. So if you click on this, it's going to prompt you to basically select your Google account into which you want to save. I'm going to go with my account over here, my main one, and then it's going to start loading for a few seconds. Then you have to press continue over here, and it's going to basically connect your Google account. I'm going to allow access to basically edit and create files. I'm going to click on continue yet again, and then over here you basically have to name it. I'm just going to name this one sample, and then the location can be anywhere you want. I'm going to actually change this location inside my tutorial folder over here, and then I'm just going to basically leave it in here. So folders, tutorial, and then select. There we go, and then location is here. Click on save, and it's going to save your Lumin PDF document inside your Google Drive. That's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.